Samsung is once again coming to establish its dominance in the mobile market. If you are also looking for a great 5G smartphone, then today we are going to tell you about this great smartphone of Samsung, which is going to come with a 200 megapixel camera, and also at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. If you want to buy this smartphone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. If we talk about the features of the mobile, then you will get to see a 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display inside this great smartphone. In this you will get to see a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Apart from that, you will get to see Corning Gorilla Glass 7, an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. Now talking about the camera setup of the mobile, you will get to see the quad camera setup at the back of this great smartphone, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this, 3 other camera setups of 50 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and 5 megapixels will be seen. Talking about the selfie camera, you will get to see a 50 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of the mobile, you will get to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor in this great smartphone. Talking about the operating system, you will get to see Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Now talking about the excellent battery backup of the mobile, you will get to see a 7500 mAh battery inside this smartphone, which supports 100 watt fast charging. Apart from this, Type-C charging socket will be visible. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of the mobile, the estimated price of this mobile can be around $550. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it.